Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to chat in Hangouts. So Hangouts is a feature in Gmail or in the Google that where it allows you to chat with your friends or colleagues in email. So what you need to do is activate the Hangout first. So this one right here, I use the Google Chat, but if you want to change it to Hangout, you can just go to the settings and then see all settings, and you need to go to the chat and meet option, this one's right here, and choose classic Hangouts and click on save changes, and it will show in the left panel as before. Google Chat is put. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the Hangout, and if you want to start chatting, you can just click on the person that you want to converse with, and then you can just click on your message. Hello. Okay, so just like that, you just need to wait for their response to your message. Okay, so that is how you can chat in Hangouts. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you guys for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop it in a comment, and if you think this video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.